This cupcake recipe is so moist, so fluffy, and easy to make. Now let's get started. Now you're going to add in your sugar and your butter into a bowl. Add in half teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to mix them all together. Don't worry, the ingredients and the measurements will be in the description box. This is the traditional cake that we all know, but this is so fluffy and anyone can make it. And you know the unique thing about this recipe? This recipe gave us 12 large size cupcake, not small, large size. So if you are making this recipe for smaller size cupcakes, you can get up to 20 or even 24. So these cupcakes were large and big, and we had 12 large size cupcakes. After mixing it, I'm going to add in my eggs in a little bit. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. Now I'm going to add it gradually and whisk. If you do not have a hand mixer, you can use your spatula or use your whisk to whisk in your egg gradually. We're adding in now our flour and our baking powder. We're adding our flour in little bits, and we're going to be mixing it gradually into our batter until we have added all our flour into our batter. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel, you're so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. And if you haven't subscribed, so subscribe to Debbie's Kitchen. Do like and share. Do comment and tell me what you think about this recipe. Check out my channel for more cake recipes. You will love them. They're so easy to make. My ingredients and measurements are my signature. They are accurate. This is one channel. You don't just get ingredients. You get ingredients and accurate measurements, which makes it easy for anyone to try out our recipes with ease. So I added in my milk now. 85 ml of milk or 1/4 cup of your milk. I'm just going to whisk my batter a little bit with my mixer. You do not want to over mix. Then we're going to go on now to add them into our pan. You can see how creamy our batter is looking already. Now I'm using 1/4 cup or 85 ml cup to scoop my butter into my pan. This is very important because I want my cake to come out even inside. Since you are using cupcakes, you can weigh. If you are using a normal weighing pan, you can use this to make your normal cake for your birthdays. Yes, it's going to be also fluffy, but since you are not weighing the cake, you are just going to scoop to make sure they are even. Tap, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes or until you dip in your toothpick and your cake comes out clean. So this is what we got at the end of the day after baking. You can see they are all similar or even in size. The ones that are not so even are the ones that probably the butter didn't go around. So you can see that measuring your butter is one way that you can get your cupcakes even. Look at the cake. Look at how fluffy they look. It looks so fluffy and it is big. I told you it is big sized cupcake. So if you're going for smaller size, you're definitely going to get more. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Do like, share, and subscribe, and tell me if you're going to be trying this recipe. Comment in the comment section. Thumbs up this video. See you in my next one. Bye bye. Good to have you here. God bless you.